What up, it's LincolnStream. Today we are opening up the motor. Let's just do it right here.
I thought it was a box inside of the box.
Oh yeah, I can't lift that tag. Could you please help me? I know. Wait, what? Look at this.
Nice.
It is.
Ooh, that's nice.
Wait, so this takes like real gas?
What is this? Fuel?
Kill switch.
Kill switch.
Wait, the kill switch is the thing that makes it turn on and off, right?
Can you hold it?
So
Wait, there's
this is a Liffin 3.0 horsepower. We bought it on Amazon, right?
Yes, sir.
And it's supposed to replace the motor that came on the Doodlebug. That's the mounting plate down there. Hopefully that fits right up on our frame.
And we do not have
This is the pull start. This is where you'll put your fuel.
Wait, I actually want to look in it real quick.
Okay.
And we do not have the old
Wait,
one
do
up
we
there.
just pour it in like that?
Yeah, it's a filter.
And do we have to let it like fill up to like there?
Just put that in there.
Does it take like gas from 7-Eleven?
Mm-hmm. So you see these two things?
Oh yes.
These two go right here, right?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
And then just keep turning it up to the right, dude, and it'll click in there. And then here we got the this is the exhaust pipe, but we got a big exhaust pipe on Lincoln with a muffler and everything, like a header pipe
Yes,
and a muffler.
And we got straps so you don't burn yourself like around this, cause this gets really hot right there.
Mm-hmm. And then this is your air filter. Maybe someday we can update that and put something fancier on there, but for right now, I think it's just gonna work.
And then
fine.
behind it is the carburetor.
Yes, that's the
What's the
carburetor right
carburetor?
there.
Wait, what's
This
It's
is the car right there.
this thing that I'm gonna try and fix.
On the other one.
Oh, so that's what messed it up, kinda?
No, just sometimes it kind of like is like the lifeline of the motor in a sense.
Watch the time lapse of us working on everything. Bye, guys.
And then once it's on, you flip it until it says start and clicks. But when you turn it on, when it's cold, you keep it on run.
Hi guys, welcome to LincolnStream. Today I am showing you the frame.
Let's do that. So what is this piece?
The frame.
Okay, what are the other ones?
This is the chain thing where it
Chain guard?
The chain guard. This is a fender, and this is also a fender. Hi guys, welcome to LincolnStream. Today we are about to clean the wheels and get them ready for paint. Let's go. LincolnStream. Today we are spray painting the wheels.
Oh, darn it. Try to keep it moving when you spray.
How does it look, guys?
How about you?
So guys, we are still working on the mini bike. These are the tires. So sus. That's so sus.